Heading into the Independence Day weekend, we celebrate those who stand for freedom. It's something U.S. service members continue to do overseas, but not all of them make it home to their families. A silent battle is taking just as many lives on American soil. The Department of Veterans Affairs reports about 6,000 veterans die by suicide every year.
Our aspiration is to cut veteran suicides in half by 2030.
All new at 10, KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita explains how a new coalition is facing the fight.
A quiet crisis grips the nation. Veterans are 1.5 times more likely to die by suicide compared to the general population. That's according to the Department of Veteran Affairs.
We are losing our military post their transition at alarming rates.
Brandon Carter is the vice president of USAA. He says more than 120,000 veterans have lost their lives to suicide over the past 2 decades. To put it into perspective, that's more people than the entire city of New Braunfels.
And if you look at that number is more than any deaths in any military conflict or war, since Vietnam. And so combined.
So USAA has made it their mission to fight for those who fought for our country. The San Antonio-based company launched a new coalition in Washington, D.C. this week called Face the Fight. Backed by $41 million, nonprofits and businesses will fund research and new programs. Carter says the goal is to cut suicides in half by 2030.
Some of the research that quite frankly was surprising to many of us was that only 50% of those that do die by suicide had any type of mental health diagnosis. So it just gives you a sense of it's undiagnosed, it's untreated, but it also can happen in minutes and seconds.
This is Military City. Many of us have loved ones who are either serving or are veterans. Carter encourages people to reach out to their family and friends and just check in on them. If you or someone you know is struggling, he suggests calling the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 988. Reporting live, Hannah Tita, KENS 5.